told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork of our romance. You make me feel so alive, always there in my mind.
Today is my birthday, 22nd of July, and it's a beautiful, beautiful day. July is usually very cold, but today is a warmish day.
It was raining cold in the morning.
It was raining cold. In the morning it was raining, but it's now sunny. But now it's sunny kidogo. It is still cold, but now it is sunny. Yeah, so we are feeling ourselves. I'm feeling bright. So today nimeletwa date tena. Leo nimeletwa date tena. And yeah, at some point I wanted to go home. You didn't sound very wrong.
Okay, this kweru. We'll ask that guy. We'll ask that waiter how it's pronounced before we come here and we say give me kweru. Kweru.
Tankare Sevilla.
Tankare Sevilla.
Yes, Sevilla. Basi ni Sevilla.
Sevilla.
Okay, Villa unasemanga Villa.
Sevilla.
Villa unasemanga Villa.
V.
Okay, Villa.
V in this case is silent.
So this is where we are at. Near the biggest mall in Africa. Is it the biggest in East and Central Africa? And it's a very nice place. So yeah, people today have decided they are being good. Wanakunywa Fanta. Sasa wacheni tuwashomekie. Mtu amedoea chakula yangu, so ndio huyu anaharibu sahani yangu. It was looking better. They're nice. Okay. So I am taking masala chips. And in this baridi. Ni coincidence. Blue it's a nice color. Si hata harusi ilikuwa blue.
But then
it's a nice color. So yeah, hii tuko happy hours. Happy hours tunajispoil. It is so cold.
Customize as much as you want.
Blue and blue. It's nice. It's nice.
It's nice.
Very. Haters will say. Haters will say. Haters will say. Anywho, cheers to many more years and many more birthdays. So wacheni niwaambie, as I am this many years old, kuna vitu zingine hatujai kuwa exposed to, like automatic doors. So I have gone to Jaoda's office. Mimi napenda si Jaoda. So mi napenda vitu tu zenye ziko straightforward. Kama ni mlango nikuje tu kama nimefungua ama nimefunguliwa for the madam that I am. So nikaenda hapo nikapata mlango imefungwa. Nikajaribu kufungua, haifunguki. There is a bell there, nikafinya bell. Nikaona no response, so nikafinya bell tena. Hey. Yeah, so apparently there is a way inafunguliwanga from the reception. The receptionist can open, then you pull. But now me, I didn't know, so so anyway, the lady did not know who I was, and I was coming to see her boss. She was coming to see the boss of the. I was coming to see the boss of the bosses, so she did not. She just thought I am come to hivi. Kaniambia ungelala hapo. Akaniambia nilikuwa nangoja ufungue mlango ungelala hapo. Now me, I didn't know that there is a way to open the door until she came and opened it. So anyway, then now he comes and he's like, "Oh, this is my wife." And she's like, "Oh." Also nilikuwa na supposed kwenda nijiambia, yeah, I am Joe's wife. Madam, you should know who I should know people. Hey, anyway, those are ushamba moments, and the way I'm old. But anyway, I am thankful for the many years that I have gotten to celebrate, this one being one of them, and this one is a major one.
Campaign period in Kenya.
Campaigns. So yeah, those are my ushamba moments. As old as I am, and I know I'm going to have many of them, but we learn every day. We learn every. Aki huyu anakula chipo zako. Wewe anakula. Anakula chipo yangu kama ni yake. Nilikuwa nimeambia uko na content. Atiende unainganga tu kwa gari unasema tu kwanza nichukue tu video. We are going to I don't know where. Let's take a video of the road. So then you just make it a video. Ati mnaenda shopping na watoto, unachukua tu video. Let's go shopping with the children.
We have to enjoy. Uko tu hapo tu. Like you are not even in the moment.
I will get my own, no, soon when I get to 1,000 subscribers or when I get to 100,000 subscribers. When my videos are getting views, I will get a photographer to work with me. I can pay them a salary. Sasa kama sahi Ferris wheel imewashwa. It's on. We come alive in the nighttime. Something about how we dance in the moonlight that look. Aki, but why are you eating my chipo? Tells me how you want me and all my love. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I